So hello to the TUC meeting, 21st of October. We have our usual agenda without any working group updates. So let's start with checking the action items from last week. We had one about generating RFC number for the RFC, which we accepted. This was about stack management, custom stack management. I generated the number, and we have also tracking issue for that. And with that, we can go to the dashboard. So on the PR side, we don't have anything. So on the RFCs, we have the RFC about require AI tooling disclosure for contributions. We started the request for comment period last week. There are no other comments, so I think we can accept this if you don't have anything in the meantime against accepting. So how we will proceed? So our working group will create a disclosure which others can maybe use, or should we have something on TOC level?
I think in the text of the RFC, it's left up to the working groups to implement however they want.
Mm-hmm.
I'm willing to bet, though, if you came up with a sample one, that a lot of other groups would probably copy it, or at least have a starting point to work with. I think that'd probably be appreciated.
Yep. Yeah, in my own personal usage, I've mostly just been tagging it like I would tag a GitHub issue, but I can try to write some verbiage somewhere.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll give myself an action item.
Okay, I need also an action item. And sign off here. Okay. We have also another RFC which we missed last time. I just didn't see that one. This is about the PCAP option for application developers, so to be able to get TCP dumps from applications.
I know I jumped the gun with my approval, but I still like what was proposed there, so I'm sticking with it.
Yeah. I didn't see. I don't have comments. I just checked the RFC and don't have any comments. What about the others? Do you have anything to comment?
No real comments. There was this little discussion whether we should have a separate feature flag for enabling it, or whether we yeah, piggyback on the SSH one. I don't know, it's nothing from implementation, it's more a usage point of view. And if in doubt, I would start with the simplest solution, which is SSH. And if then additional requirements come in, then it can be enhanced.
So it's open since September 10, so around 1 month now, more than a month. If we don't have anything to comment here, should we start the final comment period or should we wait another week?
Has anybody with like a security background looked at this? I mean, I see this CapNet admin stuff. Does that mean, what does that mean? There's additional privileges. Does that pose a risk?
I thought you have a security expert in hand. I can ask I think asked Max to check with our security expert. I'm not sure whether he did this, but when he was thinking to propose the change, but I can check on this. Yeah.
It would be good to like, even if that has been done, like if that has been done, it would be good to have that reflected in here, right? What risks were considered and mitigations and stuff like that.
Could you put a comment maybe on?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh. Do we have GitHub outage? No. Okay. So okay, then let's wait another week here. I will try to check with Max and Ruben. You will comment. And other two RFCs, nothing happens here. I will check with Pascal. So here we have the new issues for the custom stack now. I think I checked with the IPv6 people. This is still there are some leftovers in the CPI. For example, to delete the interfaces which are created for the IPv6 communication and so on. So there are some leftovers. It's not completely done yet. And on the issues side, so I got a GitHub notification and didn't skip that one. Created a issue. So it looks like we need to adjust our automation for user offboarding. So this is the description. What needs to happen. Yeah, we have to look into this. Looks like we need to execute an additional API call to really offboard a user from the enterprise account. Otherwise, they can use still Copilot. I don't know.
Yeah, got a similar email.
We have an issue here, and then it's now yeah. Other than that, we don't have any other new issues, so we can go to any other business. Is there anything you want to discuss? No. Then we have quite fast meeting today. Regarding working group updates, what do you think? Should we start now or wait another month and then start? Okay, yeah.
This is us being decisive today. Gotcha.
Yeah.
You heard we're gonna have a really short meeting, and now you're doing this thing, right? Like we were all like,
You are just about to press the leave button, and let's try to have a decision here.
let's
don't know,
also
maybe
go
we
for
can-
consensus, right? Like let's, yeah, no.
Okay.
I don't have a problem giving folks another month.
Yes.
Catch
I
up again.
feel like we just finished the updates and
I mean, foundational infrastructure could go like it's all automated, right? So it should be fine.
okay, let's have every 1 month every time updates from the FI working group, and then I'll start with others.
And just turn it into an arms race. We can create a critic agent to review your working group thing and ask probing questions.
I'm way ahead of you. I have my own bot, and actually, I will create an army of them. It's easy to clone them.
Oh,
What we
okay.
didn't realize is Ruben is really just Sora. It's just, that's why he can only talk in like 6-second increments here.
I was wondering why he was eating a grilled Pikachu earlier.
You need it with the barbecue sauce, otherwise it's just not believable.
Yeah.
I do have a quick question. I know it's not necessarily related to this. If I wanted to keep tabs on where the build packs of getting that all glued back together, what's the best way of just keeping an eye on that?
Asking for build packs working group updates.
The correct answer is probably the Build Packs private Slack channel.
Okay.
That's where the day-to-day discussion is happening. So if you're not
Right.
already in there, you can probably
No,
sneak you in.
I'm in there. It just I didn't know if there was I don't know if they met once a week or something like that.
We have the ARI working group meeting, but BuildPack folks, I think they never showed up so far.
Gotcha.
Can try to invite them. I don't know if it works out.
So I
That would
talked
be-
with Ramon. He wants a little bit to get understanding what's the current situation, and then he wanted to create some items, issues on GitHub repositories, so that a little bit to organize what needs to be done, and then so we can involve other interested people who wants to work in that area.
Yeah, it might make sense to actually have a community tracking issue, like on the community repo, right? That shows up on our board. It's not strictly an RFC, but it is scattered around enough, and that it might be useful to have that level of visibility.
We have that one. It's the RFC status for the Noble. Oh, I forgot to create that one.
Sure, but that's a noble. But I'm assuming Ramon first is working on like reviving CI, right? And that there's no RFC for that, and I think that's already something people are interested in. It's a blocker for the other stuff.
Yeah.
But it could be tracked independently.
So what he was looking for, I can, maybe we can discuss in the channel, Slack channel, what makes sense. Just propose something and we can discuss there. And additionally, Ramon was looking for information how the Java build back CI was set up. There is nothing, he couldn't find anything in the open source. I don't know, Greg, whether you can help somehow to find someone who can provide some background. Rob is, I think, not, Rob doesn't have any background.
Yeah, it's historically the Java build pack folks have been a separate group from the rest of the build packs. I can try to track down what the current status of that is.
Yeah.
There's also yeah, I'll poke around some. There may be some information that's just hidden somewhere, so I'll see what I can find.
I tried to involve Dave, but I don't know whether he's still in that Java build back topic.
Yeah,
Dave.
honestly, I've lost track a little bit, even internally. So I'll pull on some threads and see where things currently are there.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. Okay, you have topics. Yeah, okay, then.
Sorry, I turned the 10-minute meeting into a 20-minute meeting.
Yes, we are now API.
Achievement unlocked. Got it. Okay.
You can press leave. Okay, then, yeah, thank you for your time. Take care and yeah, see you next week. Bye bye.
See you. Bye bye.
Sounds good. Thank you, folks. Take care.